to extend hearty welcome to our chief guest, Dr. T.R. Sharma sir. I extend my warm welcome to our dedicated and very dynamic Vice Chancellor sir, Dr. Manmohan Singh Chauhan. As he landed on Pannagar, the whole environment has changed since the day. You must have realized that. So, very warm welcome to you, sir.
Especially for those who are coming from outside, who have come from different universities, and those who are putting their footfall for the first time. We initiated 1960. This college is for the first time came into the being as the first college of the university.
I have the honor to read the contribution of our chief guest, Dr. T.R. Sharma Sahab. And you will feel privileged that such a chief guest is among us.
First of all, I would like to thank Honorable Vice Chancellor Dr. Chauhan for inviting me here to participate in this particular symposium. In fact, it's an important occasion for me that I am visiting this university after a gap of more than 24 years. And thank you, Dr. Chauhan, for inviting me here. I would like to interact with the faculty, and also I was happy to see the vibrant campus and beautiful campus of this university. I would like to congratulate Dr. Chauhan for maintaining the glory of this particular campus. I would say that any organization, any academic organization is recognized because of their achievements in 4 P's. One of the P's is publications. The second P which you have to think of and concentrate on it is the patents. The third measure or P is the processes. How many processes you have developed? Try to see that, how many you intend to develop in the future. And the fourth one is products. The message to the student is that the continuity of work is very, very important in science. And third message is that you should develop a habit of asking questions in yourself. If something is happening, how it is happening. Fourth message is that your thinking should always be that it should have application in the field. India participated in genome sequencing work project in 1999. In rice was the first genome which was sequenced, and I was lucky to have one of the scientists in rice genome sequencing. It has 420 megabase genome size, and we predicted 35,000 genes. Paper published in Nature in 2005. Followed by tomato genome sequencing. India again participated in that. Genome size is 720 million base pair, again 12 chromosomes, and around, say, 40 labs across the 10 countries, and 250 scientists were working on sequencing of tomato genome. Again, in 2012, paper appeared in Nature, and Indian team, same team was there. So now sequencing has become an important tool.
Honorable Dr. T.R. Sharma ji, Honorable DDG, Crop Sciences, and former Director of National Agri-Food Biotechnology Institute, NABI, and this was the Institute of Department of Biotechnology, Government of India, and also currently looking after the Director post of IERI, New Delhi. My job was to bring a very eminent scientist here in that particular area which need to be addressed further for 2 days. And then I did that job. I invited the great scientist here who has really contributed a lot. And he touched upon all these things which is need to be done in breeding program, in plant breeding. And I used to say, sir, here that I believe on leadership because I believe on first you do your things and show the leadership there. So fix your example, set your example, and then further lead the institution or system or organization. Where the ultimate, we are scientists, we are not bureaucrats, we are not other people, we are a bench worker basically. And for bench worker, they need something, the small tips, this idea, and those things used to be there, so that he can just learn those things and implement there wherever he is working in his respective area. And I am talking outcome means outcome on the ground, not outcome in the form of publications only. And the working system is, you see that basically the idea is same, that whatever this law and basic nature or DNA, RNA, mRNA, all these things are there, the basic and fundamental research need to be there, required, and so that further those strategic type of work will be implemented in future as applied research. We have to look further and we have to see how best we can work out to give the more deliverables to the society. Or sir, I have given all powers to PI, but you see that implementation where you are having a very different type of old system, and you need to have integration of that old system with the modern breeding program or modern technology. So similarly in administration, so you need to put your best efforts to get the work done properly. I always used to tell sir that I need a scientific leadership. I don't want to have a technician from this institution. You need to have an analyzing power. So, आप कमर कस लो, आगे बढ़ना है.
Matter of great pleasure for me to extend the vote of thanks on my own behalf and on behalf of Department of Genetics and Plant Breeding. I am very thankful to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Dr. M.S. Chauhan ji, for sparing time from his very busy schedule these days. I express my sincere thanks to our esteemed DDG Crop Science, Dr. T.R. Sharma ji, for his gracious presence despite his much busy schedule and harsh winter climate this time.